Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and I am excited to unbox this white box. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a white box. It looks simple. You can see there's no design whatsoever. No indication of what it is on the inside if you look at the front, sides, top and bottom. But if you look at the back, then you get to see the beauty that lies inside. This contains Marvel Heroclix X of Swords storyline OP Grand Prize figures. Age 14 and up, made in China. So this is from my hauls in Singapore. I purchased the month 3 slope package, and you can look at the other video for the brick break of that month 3. But from that package, I get to personally keep the grand prize Apocalypse and the grand prize Genesis. And here they are. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let's take a look at the cards. I don't want to take them out of the clear case for now. But we can always take a look at the cards. Okay, so we have Genesis, which is set number 210 of the Slop, X-Men X of Swords Slop, Araco, Horseman, Brute, Ruler, Warrior, real name Genesis with the Sword Bearer trait. For 5 points, you can equip any sword to this character at the beginning of the game, of course, or during construction. Araco is not a land for the weak. It's a trait wherein when determining teams, characters with the Brute, Monster, or Warrior keywords gain the Araco keyword. And moreover, when a friendly character with the Araco uses blades, claws, fangs, their minimum result instead is their printed damage +1. So it works like the Sword of Might. So special movement, march across Otherworld, charge, flurry, and passenger 4, but only to carry characters with the Araco keyword. And a special defense, destructive parry, stop, invincible, super senses. Each time this click is revealed due to taking damage from an attack, KO an object equipped to the attacker. If the attacker was not equipped, deal them 1 penetrating damage instead. So she's a really powerful figure at 35 points. Especially she's useful for 35 points because she does the keyword granting ability, and she has a stab click with mystics, so you're sure to give at least 2 damage to your opponents for 35 points. And she can attack also if needed. So Genesis, you can probably take out the figure. I'm a bit hesitant too, but okay, good thing it slides off perfectly. Okay, oops. Be careful. I have the Genesis, the super rare, as well as the mask one, the Annihilation. Okay, but this is her in full glory with that hand pyramid effect. The wife of Apocalypse, Genesis. Okay. Then of course we have the grand prize, the other grand prize, and the big guy, Apocalypse. Okay. I really wanted this because of how iconic the comic panel was for me. Okay, so I did not dream, I didn't imagine that I would get a chance to own one. Okay, primarily because the storyline did not arrive in the Philippines. Okay, but so you only get to win this after 3 months of standard storyline organized play, and assuming you win that organized play, Okay, but I was lucky to bump into a month 3 sealed brick with the pricing. Okay, so I had to grab the opportunity. Oh well, that's really a good sculpt. Okay, this will definitely go to our display. And let's see what he does. The Apocalypse, set number 209, Horseman, X-Men, Mystical, Pass, Ruler, Warrior, and Sabanur is the real name. Sword Bearer trait. Krakoa is for all mutants. Second trait. When determining teams, characters with the Araco keyword gain the X-Men keyword. And when a friendly character with the X-Men keyword would be hit with a close attack, if they can use Blade's Claws Fangs, they may roll a d6. If they do, and the result is greater than the attacker's printed damage value, they evade attack. The attack. Okay, so it's like a census. Okay, but conditional, of course, depending on the printed damage value of the attacker. Okay, and it's not just uh, once per turn, so it can happen every time the character is attacked, which is really interesting. And the external gate is a special movement, flurry, facing teleport. When Apocalypse uses facing teleport, after resolutions, he may make a close attack and a special defense, destructive parry, just like Genesis. So the dial is this one. Okay, I can see him at 35 points, very useful, just to make sure that you bring Araco to X-Men, and of course, a lot of benefits from that special trait. Okay, Mystics as well, and Cosmic, so always a good combination. So that's it. These are definitely shelf worthy to display. The husband and the wife, mask, unmask. Goodbye, mutants. I'm going to put it now on the shelf. Bye bye.